In this video, we'll demonstrate how to access and view saved passwords in Google Chrome. But before we dive into this tutorial, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to manage your passwords more efficiently. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's get started with the steps to view your saved passwords. Launch Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the Chrome window, click on the three vertical dots. This will open a menu with various options. Locate and select Settings near the bottom. Once you're in Chrome Settings, navigate to the left-hand menu. Click on Autofill and Passwords. In the Autofill section, you'll find Google Password Manager. Click on it. You'll be directed to a list of your saved passwords. To locate a specific password, you can use the search bar at the top to enter the platform's name, like YouTube. To reveal a password, click on the website name. You may need to enter your computer's password to verify your identity. Please exercise caution when displaying passwords, especially when others are nearby, as the passwords become visible. It's important to ensure your privacy and security. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications turned on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials and helpful resources, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative content.